How do you set any music on Spotify as sleep timer? Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set any music on Spotify as a sleep timer. So first thing you have to do, go to Spotify. Now let's choose any music right here. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one right here. Now, if you want to set it as a sleep timer, all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and click on those three dots. Now, all what you have to do is go down and search for sleep timer and click on it. Now, choose when you want to stop the audio, if you want it 1 hour, 45, 30, 15, or end of track. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.